How to make money through affiliate marketing. Welcome to this video on how to make money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. It's a performance-based marketing strategy that allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. In this video, we will discuss what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and provide you with some examples of successful affiliate marketers. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way of promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when someone purchases that product through your unique affiliate link. The commission you earn is a percentage of the sale price and can range from 5% to 50%, depending on the product and the affiliate program. How does affiliate marketing work? To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to find a product or service that you want to promote. You can search for affiliate programs on the product owner's website or on affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, or ShareASale. Once you find a product to promote, you will receive a unique affiliate link. You can then share this link on your website, blog, social media, or other platforms. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. Examples of successful affiliate marketers. 1. Pat Flynn from Smart Passive Income. Pat Flynn is a well-known affiliate marketer who promotes products related to online business and entrepreneurship. He earns a six-figure income from affiliate marketing every year. 2. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner from Making Sense of Sense. Michelle is a personal finance blogger who earns a significant portion of her income through affiliate marketing. She promotes products related to budgeting, saving, and investing. 3. John Chow from JohnCHow.com. John Chow is a blogger and affiliate marketer who promotes products related to blogging, online marketing, and affiliate marketing. He has earned over $1 million from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, regardless of your niche or location. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to choose the right product to promote, build a targeted audience, and promote the product in a genuine and authentic way. By following these tips, you can create a successful affiliate marketing business and earn a passive income. Thank you for watching this video on how to make money through affiliate marketing. If you found this information helpful, please like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and strategies.